Hey guys, welcome to another episode, another Friday. It is 4/20.
4/20.
So I thought I'd make a fun trail mix with Jade here to taste test. So as you see, we've got some chips, some cocoa clusters.
Clusters. You mix it on up with your hands right there, and look at that girl. Look how cute she is. She makes it look so good, and it was so good.
Clearly it's good because you're over here doing a little jig.
Hey.
So this was something that we had to argue about, but I won. And we're going to do Flaming Hot Cheeto Rice Krispie treats. What does that have to do with anything?
Marshmallows, these melted marshmallows, and with that egg. That's not an egg, that's butter.
That's butter!
And then you're gonna take that spoon. Oh, no, you're not. You're gonna put the Flaming Hot Cheetos in there. Little tiny baby.
Stir it up. You're gonna do 4 cups of Rice Krispie and then 2 cups of the Flamin' Hot, so it doesn't overpower.
No overpowering. Equal rights. So then we're gonna lay these out flat. We'll go a little slow. That's to wash your hands. Okay, so then
I was doing a good job. I was laying it flat.
And then
put it in the freezer for like half an hour.
And then that's what she said. And then you cut out the number 4. And then you cut out your other numbers. And boom, there you go.
Fun 4/20 treats for everyone to have to pass out.
I was skeptical.
Don't read your own caption.
And here, it was taking a minute for the flavor to kick in, but then it did. And then it really
face.
did. You can see.
Yeah.
And that's when shit got spicy.
But it was good. It was like a little spicy, perfect 4/20 treat.
I was surprised.
Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.